The machine is spinning, your favorite shirt has a coffee stain, and a local friend expects you in 2 hours. You look at the laundromat controls and understand absolutely nothing. What do you say?
First, do not go home. Second, do not put the red shirt in with the white clothes. I have made one of those mistakes and the shirt came out looking like it had joined a very enthusiastic pink choir.
Exactly. Today, laundry is our confidence system. Not because clean clothes make you more valuable, they do not. But when one predictable problem is handled, you have more energy for work, friendships, and that spontaneous dinner. Welcome to Portuguese for Nomads, episode 12. I'm Sofia Mendes with Tiago Silva. Today, you'll learn useful Portuguese for a laundry visit while improving your habits and connections as a nomad in Portugal and Brazil. Let's get started.
7 short lines, 1 realistic visit, and a speaking drill you can use today. No grammar lecture, just enough language to ask, listen, clarify, and leave with your clothes and your dignity intact.
Let's begin at the door. You see a laundry shop, but you are not sure whether it is self-service or whether someone washes the clothes for you. Ask, ¿Onde posso lavar ropa? A rough, slow guide is ¿Onde posso lavar ropa? It means, where can I wash clothes?
Wait, I would probably say it too quickly. ¿Onde posso lavar ropa?
And that is understandable. Just give the keywords a little space. Onde posso lavar ropa? The pronunciation guide is only an English approximation. Portugal and Brazil have different rhythms, so listen more than you imitate perfectly. In Portugal, a laundry shop is often lavanderia. In Brazil, you will commonly hear lavanderia.
So I can ask the broad question first, then let the attendant tell me how the place works. Good. That is much less stressful than pretending I understand the machine.
Once you know the service, you need the price. Quanto custa? Slowly, quanto custa? It means, how much does it cost? Use it for a wash, a drying cycle, or a full service.
Quanto custa? I like this one because it gives you control immediately. You do not have to guess, smile nervously, and discover the price after your clothes are already inside.
Right. Ask first, then listen. If the number goes by too fast, say, desculpe? That means sorry, or could you repeat that? It is a tiny rescue line, and it is useful everywhere.
And timing matters when your friend is waiting. Quando fica pronto? Slowly, quando fica pronto? It means, when will it be ready? You may also hear fica pronto quando. It is understandable, but quando fica pronto is a natural choice to practice.
Try the 3 together, but do not rush them. Onde posso lavar ropa? Where can I wash clothes? Quanto custa? How much does it cost? Quando fica pronto? When will it be ready?
That is my emergency script.
I am not sure I love calling an ordinary laundry visit an emergency. Beginners can hear that and feel they have to perform under pressure.
Fair, but a compact script can create momentum. When you are nervous, having 3 lines ready stops your mind from going blank. 1 anchor phrase, then a pause. Daily practice builds real confidence. Now protect the clothes. Maybe you have dark jeans, a white shirt, and 1 bright item that could turn everything pink. Ask, ¿Puede separar as cores? Slowly, ¿Puede separar as cores? It means, could you separate the colors?
And cores is 2 light syllables, cores. You do not need to make it sound exactly like an English word. Pode gives the request a polite shape. Could you separate the colors? In a self-service place, you may do it yourself. At a staffed service, this question checks what they include.
Next question. Tem secadora? Tem secadora. It means, is there a dryer or do you have a dryer? This wording is especially common in Brazil.
In Portugal, you may also hear or use tem máquina de secar? That means, do you have a drying machine? If you use tame secadora in Portugal, people may still understand you, but listening for máquina de secar can help.
So if I am unsure, I ask instead of guessing. That is the whole Nomad skill.
Exactly. And if a shirt comes back smaller, calmly say, minha camisa encolheu. Slowly, minha camisa encolheu. It means my shirt shrunk. Show the shirt, describe the result, and keep the conversation open.
No dramatic courtroom speech. Just, minha camisa encolheu. My shirt shrank.
And for that coffee mark, pode tirar esta mancha. Pode tirar esta mancha. It means, could you remove this stain? Point gently if you need to. Your hands and your words can work together.
That line could save tonight's outfit. Let's see what happens when the conversation is not perfectly smooth.
Hello, onde posso lavar roupa? Where can I wash clothes?
Of course. The machines are over there. You can wash your clothes yourself.
Sorry, I want the service. You wash and dry them for me?
Oh, understood. We can do that. Quanto custa? You are asking how much it costs.
How much does it cost?
The wash and dry service is 12 euros. Quando fica pronto? It will be ready at 5.
Could you separate the colors? And can you remove this stain?
Yes, we can separate the colors and we can treat the stain. We cannot promise it will disappear completely, but we will try carefully.
Tem secada?
Yes, the drying service is included.
Perfect. I will come back at 5. See? I didn't understand everything at first, but I asked, repaired the misunderstanding, and continued.
That repair is the real lesson. You do not need a perfect conversation. You need one useful sentence, a willingness to listen, and the courage to try again. Learn Portuguese while upgrading your life.
And build the routine before the crisis. Pick one laundry day each week. Sort the clothes before leaving your accommodation. Check whether you need washing or drying, and keep one comfortable outfit ready for work or a social invitation.
Not to look perfect, to remove one decision from your future self. When you feel comfortable and prepared, it can be easier to accept a coffee invitation, enter a co-working space, or start a conversation with someone local.
Here is your 5-minute drill. First, repeat each line after us slowly, then say them again without the English. Finally, record a 1-minute visit. Ask where to wash, ask the price, ask when it will be ready, and add one request about your clothes.
Your mission is simple. Use just one line on your next laundry trip. Quanto custa? Tem secadora? Or at a staffed service, pode separar as cores. One real sentence is better than 7 phrases trapped in your notes.
Quick drill. Onde posso lavar roupa? Where can I wash clothes? Quanto custa? How much does it cost? Quando fica pronto? When will it be ready? Pode separar as cores? Could you separate the colors?
Tem secadora? Is there a dryer? Minha camisa encolheu. My shirt shrank. Pode tirar esta mancha? Could you remove this stain? Pause, breathe, and choose the one you can use first.
If you want daily practice for real situations like this, join Portuguese for Nomads. You will build practical language for food, housing, visas, friendships, work, and everyday life in Portugal and Brazil. Master the language, master your nomad life.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, and connect deeper.